Hello, my name is Karine, and today we are going to learn about verbs. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now verbs. A verb is an important part of a sentence. It gives us information about the action, events, or state of being. Okay? Verbs can be categorized into four groups: main verbs, helping verbs, linking verbs, action verbs. Let's look at linking verbs and action verbs. Linking verbs show no action. They just connect to the subject and give more information about the subject. For example, we are writing an email. Our writing shows action in progress, and it is an action verb. We are students. R gives information about the subject. We, there is no action, and so it is a linking verb. Your new book seems interesting. Seems is a linking verb. I see you. See is an action verb. The soup tastes good. Air tastes is a linking verb. Sam is tasting the soup. Here, tasting is an action verb. Okay, so an easy way to differentiate them is to replace the verb in question with a verb form of be. If the sentence doesn't make sense anymore, then it is an action verb. If the sentence is still meaningful, it's a linking verb. For example, the flowers we have picked from the backyard smell so nice. The flowers we have picked from the backyard are so nice. The sentence doesn't lose its meaning, so the verb smell in the first sentence is a linking verb. He looked at me with fear on his face. He was at me with fear on his face. The second sentence doesn't make sense. So the verb look in the first sentence is an action verb. Most common linking verbs are am, is, are, was, were, be, being, and been. Note, there are some verbs that can both be used as action and linking verbs. And they are appear, become, feel, grow, look, prove, remain, seem, smell, sound, stay, taste, come, lie, prove, act, turn, fall, get. Main verbs. A main verb has a major meaning on its own, and it has a very important role in the predicate. For example, write, jump, talk, swim, eat, drive, ride, run, etc. Helping verbs. A helping verb, also called an auxiliary verb, has no meaning on its own, but helps the main verb in a functional and grammatical way. For example, Daniel is drawing a picture. Daniel is the subject, is the helping verb, drawing is the main verb, action in progress. A picture is the object, is an object. All right, so let me repeat that. A helping verb, also called an auxiliary verb, has no meaning or it's on its own, but helps the main verb in a functional and grammatical way. For example, Daniel is drawing a picture. Daniel is the subject. Is the helping verb. Drawing is the main verb, action in progress. A picture is an object, okay? So some common helping verbs are am, is, are, was, were, be, been, been, have, has, had, may, might, must, shall, might, must, do, does, did, should, could, would. And those are some common helping verbs, okay? I hope you learned something about verbs today in my grammar lesson. So I hope to see you in my classroom. Goodbye.